Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by removing the external battery pack or any AA cells so the controller can accept direct power. Next, grab a known good cable, micro USB for older Xbox One controllers or USB-C for Series X/S, and plug it into the controller. Then connect the other end to the console or PC USB port. The controller will draw power and operate wired. Once powered, you can play immediately and avoid swapping packs because the console supplies stable current through the cable. Once connected, make sure the Xbox button lights steadily. This tells you power is present and the controller is active. Press the Xbox button and check inputs on the home screen to verify buttons and sticks respond. This wired connection bypasses the battery. If you later want to switch back to wireless, simply disconnect the cable and hold the controller and console sync buttons until they link. Meanwhile, keep the cable snug. A loose connection can drop power and interrupt gameplay. Finish by checking for firmware updates in console settings. Updated firmware ensures stable wired operation and button mapping. If the controller doesn't power, swap cables or use a different USB port. Many problems are a bad cable or insufficient port power. Once done, test on a PC to see if the issue follows the controller. If faults persist, try a different controller to isolate hardware issues. This separates controller failure from console or cable problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.